Tired of manually saving the photos from your Messenger chats? Well, luckily for you, there is a way to save Messenger photos automatically. I'll show you how to enable this feature on your Android phone, so let's get into the process. First, open the Messenger app, then tap the three-line icon. Tap on the gear icon. This will lead you to the settings. Now scroll down and find Photos and Media. Open it. In here, toggle on Save Photos or similar options like Save on Capture. Make sure Messenger has permission to access your phone's storage. If it doesn't have it, then a prompt will appear asking you to allow access. Simply tap Allow All to confirm the process. And from now on, your images will be saved automatically on the storage. So, did you think this video was helpful? If so, be sure to give it a like. And you can also subscribe for more interesting tips like this. See you around.